Drawbacks of being fat or overweight. If you're someone who is overweight, you would possibly consider an action to decide to really reduce body fat. Aside from looking big, being fat and overweight is not any fun. You get ogling eyes watching you fairly often if your size is greater than normal, which ogling isn't one among admiration but often curiosity and derision. Being overly fat encumbers your movement in order that you appear slow and clumsy in movements, and affects your health adversely. What is a secure weight loss objective? So if you've got established an objective to reduce fat, what would be a secure weight loss objective? In any case, you do not wish to lose far an excessive amount of weight at a very fast rate, as that affects your body and impacts adversely on your health. At an equivalent time, you do not want to reduce far too slowly, because you'll lack a motivation to continue, and at an equivalent time, without a continued sustained rate of sizable weight loss, you'll tend to revert back to your normal eating habits and former lifestyle in order that you'll rapidly regain whatever weight you've had lost. We don't want this to happen once we are on a diet or on a program to reduce fat. So what's an inexpensive safe weight loss? Defining safe weight loss. The rate of safe weight loss will differ from person to person, counting on many factors. For a toddler who remains growing tall and is moderate to mildly overweight, there won't be an urgent got to press the kid into a weight loss program yet. By simply maintaining the kid's weight could be a far better way, because the child will grow into his or her own weight, and are available right down to a healthy body mass index (BMI). This works because BMI may be a function of weight divided by height squared. If you maintain the load while he or she remains growing, a rise of a couple of inches with the load remaining an equivalent will cause the BMI to decrease greatly. But what about an adult or a toddler who is not any longer growing in height? Others recommend losing just 1 pound per month. These rates also are applicable to the very overweight child who remains growing also. Worried about the most important losers? If losing 1 to 2 pounds per week may be a safe weight loss for adults, shouldn't we be worried about the way those Biggest Losers participants within the TV reality series are losing theirs? What we will see is that these participants rapidly lose up to 10 pounds every week, and this often runs for several weeks into the sports show. This is often in fact clearly against the healthy balanced weight loss recommended by the bulk of doctors and dietitians. So is it justified for us to boost a hue and cry and be worried about such rapid weight loss? Now, if you're within the same physique as these Biggest Loser participants, really that overweight and large, then it's easy to mention that your weight isn't normal. Where people are morbidly obese, these same safe weight rules aren't applicable. The more saturated these cells are, the more the load is excreted once you exercise or follow a diet under a weight loss program. How to reduce safely. If you would like to reduce, get into a secure weight loss plan slowly. Losing weight isn't an overnight thing. Take safe weight loss sort of a step-by-step activity. Attempt to make a secure weight loss, decide to suit your lifestyle, and don't be stressed over the numbers in your weight. So as to urge meaningful measurements, it's better to see your results over a period of several weeks. Following the steps-by-step action plan during a reliable weight loss and dieting program is strongly recommended if we wish to ascertain permanent weight loss results. The right body needs time to be sculpted and fashioned. Following safe weight loss programs may be a necessity if you would like to realize an ideal weight and not fall sick thanks to overly rapid weight loss.